So everybody is talking about AI and how you can use AI to create content, especially videos. And there are many free alternatives available. There are tools like Captions AI, HeyGen, and many more that will easily let you create videos with a prompt. And apps like Cdance and Kling will give you an output which would look like it is coming straight from a movie. And then there are free alternatives available. One such alternative is MoneyPrinterTurbo. It's a GitHub repository which is going viral. I have seen a lot of Instagram creators who are talking about it. Even I have covered it on my YouTube shorts. But here I am making a long form video talking about the limitations of free alternatives like MoneyPrinterTurbo. Now, MoneyPrinterTurbo is a GitHub repository and it's not that difficult to set it up. But the limitation is that it will not create original videos. What it can do is it will combine a bunch of tools like an LLM, ChatGPT, OpenAI, or any other LLM, which will research for the topic, and then another LLM will create a script out of it, a short script or a Instagram reel script, depending on what you are prompting it. And then it will be converted into audio, and then another AI will search for stock footage from all over the internet, which is copyright free, so that you can use it. But it does not create videos on its own. Like if you have to talk about a certain software where you are demoing it, or if you have any original thought, it will not create videos from scratch. And that is the limitation of these free alternative tools. So people who are comparing it with tools like HeyGen or Cdance, it's completely wrong. You will not get original videos. And apps like these have always been there on the internet, where you can bring your script, it will be converted into audio, and you will be able to select the stock footage to create your videos. I personally have used such services 5 years, 6 years ago, even a decade ago, where I would simply give the link of my blog post and it will extract the information from there, which is within the limits of that duration of this video. Suppose if I have to make a 1 minute or 2 minute video, it will give me the script according to that, and it will convert it into audio, and then it will search for stock footage. And I have more control over it. I can add my own footage, but here it will give you an output which is a combination of stock footage. So it might not be for everyone, creators who are creating original content. It might be for people who just want to populate the internet with already existing videos, but with a different type of content. So MoneyPrinterTurbo is not for everyone.